Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Zizhir Festival is found only in Kaohsiung's Meinong Township and is held on the 9th day of the first lunar month. During the Zizhir Festival, people visit the Jingzi Pavilion for a ceremony during which special paper is burned. Afterwards, people pray for a plentiful harvest. Students sometimes carry the ashes in a small bag in hopes of good luck in their studies.
Alrighty, folks, it's time for another Let's Talk About Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And let's talk more about special traditions that Hakka might have around this time of the year. Leo, 有沒有比較特別的東西我們可能比較不常聽到的，然後也是在這個時候呢可能會舉辦的？
有喎，我今日來講就係就係啲高雄美濃。
高雄美濃就紙傘的地方嗎？
是油紙傘，油紙傘會講嗎？
油紙傘油紙仔，
油紙仔。
Okay, so this town that Leo's talking about is very famous for its paper umbrellas, but I'm sure that's not what he's here to talk about. 你應該不是要跟我講這個東西，因為那個大家都知道了。
錯啊，唔係，嘅高雄美濃哈，佢特別啲嘅過年正月嘅初九。就是正月初九的時候呢，會有一個字子祭，字子祭。对，就是字写字的字
来拜拜吗？
纸張的紙，祭典的祭。
Wow, this is a paper festival. 所以是怎麼樣呢？拿一些紙，然後在上面拜拜而已。
不是，當然不是咯。
是不是？
特別客家人哦，以前的客家人非常非常的注重文字，所以那個有文字的紙張啊，我們都會把它收集起來，然後拿到那個禁字亭、金絲亭嗰邊去燒，
我懂了。
化掉、燒掉之後呢，再把它倒到河裡頭，讓它放水流到大海去。
I see，
就是對文字的一個尊敬。
那這樣子的習俗已經很久了嗎？
當久了哦，幾下百年應該有哦。
有超過100年了，是不是？So this is a very interesting tradition that they have that's been going on for hundreds of years, and it actually kind of encapsulates the idea of recycling, even though that's not the purpose of it. Every time they have any written article, anything that's written, they actually keep it because they feel it's very sacred, it's very precious that you write something on paper. And so they would always keep it till the end of the year, and on the 9th day of the new year, they would actually have a ceremony where they gather all your written papers and then they would burn it, and then they will actually dump it into the river and then let it flow out into the ocean. So there you have it, another tradition from our Hakka culture, and that does it for today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.